Manage your fleet efficiently from order to return with GAC Car Fleet, the leading software for local and global fleet management. Costs, supplier data, maintenance, electrification. Managing a fleet means handling multiple challenges. GAC Car Fleet centralizes your data, automates your tasks, and ensures compliance. With over 600,000 vehicles managed and available in 6 languages, GAC Car Fleet suits all types of fleets, from 50 to over 30,000 vehicles, including private car, light commercial vehicle, heavy vehicle, machinery, bike, and charging station. Over 700 clients trust us, from small businesses to global groups. By choosing GAC Car Fleet, you gain centralized and automated fleet management, cost reduction and process optimization, simplified energy transition. Our ecosystem of over 300 suppliers connected to the GAC Hub allows you to automatically integrate your vehicle data. Leasing agents, fuel companies, insurers, telematics providers, internal data. Designed for and with demanding fleet managers, GAC Car Fleet supports you in your daily operations with a comprehensive, real-time view of your fleet through key indicators. Detailed fleet monitoring to better control every expense. Fleet compliance and sustainability. Simplified communication with your drivers. GAC Car Fleet provides a complete solution to address the main challenges of fleet management. Enjoy responsive and personalized support for optimal onboarding with GAC Car Fleet. Benefit from enhanced IT security for safe and protected fleet management. GAC Car Fleet, the leading software for simple, efficient, and secure fleet management.